Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a heart beating video edit on CapCut PC. So the format of my video currently is 1:1. You can change it here. So I'm just going to add this picture to the track. Then I am just going to crop it into a square. And I'm just going to select confirm. Then I'm just going to go to mask and choose heart. And I'm just going to adjust the size of it kind of too. And I am also going to feather it out just a little bit. I'm just going to add it around here. You can also change the background color, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Then I will just go to basic, and then I'm just going to add in a keyframe here, and then in the next one I'm going to add in a keyframe, and I'm going to scale it, and then again keyframe, zoom out, and then another keyframe, zoom in, and then another one. You're just going to keep on doing that until you have this kind of beating heart effect on your video. So I'm not going to do it for all the keyframes, but this is what it roughly should look like. If that's too fast, you're just going to add in another keyframe. You're going to add the keyframes apart from each other, not close like this, but it's like a beating heart, but you're just going to want to make it slower. But if I do it, it's going to take me a long time, so I'm just going to show you a little bit, and that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!